Of death, I fear no evil. Jah is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear no evil, man? Don Mafia with the next #1. This is another sweet music production. Woo! Them one man die, but me still a live. Them treat me bad, but me still a give. With the Almighty, me no break me promise. Genuine and real, them can't call me honest. One man die, but me still a live. Them treat me bad, but me still a give. With the Almighty, me no break me promise. Genuine and real, them can't call me honest.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, on our way to you.
Over the years, we have seen Don Mafia on several platforms talking about his affiliation with BEENIE Man. We've heard Don Mafia profess to writing several songs for the Doctor, during which time Don Mafia also claims that there were several instances where he was in fear for his life, as threats were sent towards him. Now, most recently, Don Mafia has been the talk on social media once again after Don Mafia spoke up for his rights again. Now, BEENIE Man responded to Don Mafia in an Instagram live stream where he basically was telling Don Mafia to just come off of his name and leave him alone. Well, that didn't happen, and it would appear that things has even intensified, as most recently, Don Mafia spoke out again, claiming that there were threats sent on his life. Now, during an Instagram chat with Wiz from the Wizology show, Don Mafia was specifically asked, "Are you saying that the Doctor, the king of the dancehall, BEENIE Man, is the one that you're saying you are scared of, and your life is in danger because of this man?" Don Mafia says yes. Viewers, we're going to jump in and take a listen to the conversation between Don Mafia and Wiz. But you can also check out Wiz at the Wizology show on Instagram. Let's jump in and take a listen.
See the man, yeah. See the man, yeah.
Yo.
You're not done. Never tell the truth. Sometimes you have a fret, you know, cause we respect every person, but the king coming here, John, we don't like some of them. You see me?
Yeah.
So we have to talk and find out the real deal and the real truth, because it's serious. It gone past white bad. It gone to serious. And we have to talk about it. We have to talk about it because it's a serious thing. Great, if people don't know, this is the great gringo, aka Don Mafia. Saying,
big up
and his Wi-Fi is looking, Wi-Fi is fine and everything is fine.
Yeah.
Don, respect. Respect for joining back in life. You see?
Yeah, we big up, man.
So let's start like this. In the last couple weeks, you've released some songs that have gone around the world in, I would say, a lyrical clash to BEENIE Man. Right or wrong?
Right.
Right. BEENIE Man has not answered any of them to this point that we know. I'm not sure. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But honestly, it's something going on behind the scenes that I want to talk about. And that is your life.
Yeah.
So me, I gotta ask you now, right away. Don, are you or were you scared for your life due to the lyrical content that you put out or whatever situation?
Yeah, man, because it always reach a point like that, you know, where every time I talk up or something go wrong, it's like my life under threat, and that I go on from a long time, you understand? So it's like every time something come up again about this thing, I constantly my life under threat, man, because the threat for my life under, I don't know either. It starts from all when we're apart, you understand?
Okay. So this...
So me always aware of that threat that we hang over me, because even when me apart with his life when we're friends, you know, it's like, we never really talk about plans with, like a man a plan then, like, you know, say, yo, things happen to me, and them dying, they were a friend and apart, and me hear about that, and it's like, me end up cut, and then me end up get death threat same way, and, you know, so anytime I talk for my rights, it's like me I go dead for my rights, or, you know.
So let's get this straight, Don. Let's get this straight. Are you talking about the great Doctor BEENIE Man?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like
And
when
you
me a
feel
roll. Yeah, man, yeah. First time we have problem was like when we still have something come up about some money thing, and it's like, you know, from this some years of plans I make for my life, like, yo, we're gonna carry the boy Gringo around and you dash him away, you know? And I see him at the man them affair, I say, no man, you can't do the youth that man because rare. You understand? So it's coming like at the man them if we deal with that. I said, no, it cannot happen. Because people who know me know me real like that, and no 5 people them when know me, then rate me and they not go and do me nothing because they know say, because I'm not do no violence. I just my music me do from me a little youth me in the street, everybody know me. I mean I do no badness or nothing, I just music, you understand? So
hold on now. Hold on, cause this serious, you know, you take it too fast, I want to get it from every little level. You want to tell me, say, the man who you are par with, which you state as BEENIE Man, you feel say him a send man to devour your life, take you off of the earth.
I don't send man, it's like I'm on a plan to bring you going at your death, you see me? And at that plan they make for my thing, and then when me hear that me shift, and then when me shift again is a next threat say they for my life, and then even now, since weeks same way, it's like me hear say, yo, plans I make again, then me get the voice note like say, man I tell me say then it come back ends for dash me away, but me did left already. And so me know say my life under constant danger because this thing is not a thing where simple like how people might just take it. It's a big thing, it involves a lot of things. It's a lot of things, you know. My talent, what I have is like, you know, it's gonna cause a problem because my own talent what I have, it coming like it is never mine. So, you know, it's like my wrong for use it for survive or what. I don't know why it's for things.
But me Dan, why you feel say are the doctor? Why it can't be anybody else? You know?
I don't feel, I know. I don't feel things, I know. Him know too.
Wow.
I don't talk things that I feel, brother. I did feel things I don't talk.
Right.
You know that too, man.
Wow.
The only reason why I'm still living now at home is smart and I don't trust people and I keep out of people and I try to stay alive, but you know, it's a constant thing hang over me like, yo, this boy at this program and rare, and the only this when this program I told me refuse to keep my talent being exploited. Like it does constantly, like my talent was no longer mine. I'm dead and it's like me just you know, a constant, it's like a dark days me, because I look back on the thing now and it just look like a slavery. You understand? Because if you get up every day, you do something, and the things where you do, you contribute to a thing, and at the same time, it now benefit you in a no way. Every time something for benefit you, if it happen, it become a big problem, and you end up having to argue, and then so you might talk to a man about your thing, a man go pray and say, yeah, this him. But I not this. It will have a roller, and we roll and I work together, and me know certain things do. Me I go defend when me forget, you understand?
Yeah.
As a family, and that's what me have it in my heart. Say, yo, we are family and we are friends, and you know, people are look out for me because that was the original agreement we make. Say, yo, yeah, go give me some of them lyrics of the talk, and I'm gonna make sure you're good. So to me, that walking songbook. Me not have to have a song. I can't wait me up 3 o'clock in the morning and just play the beat and we just make a song. You understand? So that was never my problem. I don't like lyrics problem me have. Or nothing. Right. The only thing what me start feel like my talent are no longer mine again because like, you know, my talent just feel under pressure. My brain start pray all kind of thing and then, you know, I'll be like a negativity, man. I can't work on the negative thing. So I have to move on and go on and live my own life. You understand? I'm not want to be under the bondage then no more in our music. You see me?
Here's why I want to talk to you, Don Mafia. Let me say, and I'm not downgrading your story or whatever. Who feels it knows it. So I don't know it like you. But those are serious accusations. And it's been going on for a while. Like, and so I'm just trying to figure why it keeps popping up every now and then. Because BEENIE Man's living his life, you're living your life, but you're living your life, it sounds like to me, in fear.
Constantly. I'm not only in fear of my life alone, in fear for my... It's like, everything I do is like I'm being blacklisted then in music, like sanction. So if I this Jackie play my song now, it's like him know say yo, if him buck up in a ray, him I go do yo, why you play them boys? If a man put me on a flyers, it's a big thing. Like if a man say me on a flyers, and if put them boys on flyers, and you know, in my heart, I don't have the feelings the same way. I just have a love and a respect, but I find out say here comes a time in a life when you say as a man, it's either you stand up for something or you settle for nothing. You understand? You have to defend your life because you see, me do my work in the music from a little picnic and I grow in the music. Me do my work, me suffer in the music. Me sleep on studio floor, me do everything. Me sleep on sound truck, me do everything where it's struggle, you see? And me always do my thing. No matter if people not even hear me big like I cover half the world. Me have my little bass and me have my little follower them and me have my little thing going. So what the problem with me is this no man. Anytime I try to use my talent, I like something I go on. Like, you know, when I get couple recognition, it's like, you know, this big giant just come out now and just try to crush my head. So, you see, in a life now, I can't deal that no more, brethren, because only one life I have to live, you know. I mean, I did this over the years, I mean, humble. Sometimes as a man say a thing, I just humble back and easy. Because if you listen to me, you know, I never really come with that disrespect thing to say, I personally disrespect a man. I don't talk about the differences we have, but what the problem is like, say, my rights, me don't have the rights to talk about my own history in a music. I mean, if me come and talk about my journey in a music, I'm supposed to free to talk about every part of my journey, the good and the bad. I'm not going to cover up nothing or sugarcoat nothing to make it sound like it is not. I talk the history and the truthing. I'm not talk the truth to myself and to who respect me and to who love me, because my fan base might not be as big as everybody else, but I am still a person who enough people knowing music and respect, and me have to maintain that part in my thing. Me can't just make a man come talk and me just dash from my music and just go and hide under one tree. You understand?
Okay. I understand what you're saying still. John Star, but like I got a bunch of videos, I got a bunch of DMs, you know, and I'm here and I'm like, I couldn't believe it because I guess I don't know that side of the world, right? I don't know that stuff, but it seems like I had to talk to you to find out, is this really real? Is this something that's really happening, especially with a man who is, you know, labeled the king of the dancehall and so-called. And I understand you guys have your differences and stuff like that, but I didn't know it was this deep. And you know, is it? I mean, you make lyrics. You write for lyrics. Is it just the Doctor you wrote lyrics for? Is there other artists as well?
Well, I write other artists write lyrics for one and two other artists, but the main thing with me, you know, when me and BEENIE roll, you know, that was the deal, you know, like supply the lyrics them I'm gonna make sure good. So it's like we did and I build the thing like to a couple of years well. I'm not saying I'm the one who started it out or nothing. There were other people before me too, you understand? So when me stand up and attack right now, you know, me attack justice for every youth we get the fight down and the beat down and the exploitation in the game, you know. So it's not a one-away thing, you know, and me alone, but enough man afraid, because through them afraid for dead, you understand? I don't know if they can't explain themselves, but me was never a person like this was fearful and feel say, yo, if a thing happen to me, brethren, me talk the truth and make people know the truth what I want, you understand? But all along, me always just humble and I try for me gauge the truth, like me talk some and not talk some. I know it reach a point where me say, yo, them people that don't even care about me no more or nothing. No. So right now, I'm not even care neither. I'm just defend my life and defend my bread and defend when I defend full 100 right now, you know, you understand? So that's why I go lyrics, because I not go defend my thing with bad man and go get line up gang and say, boy, we're going to do man things. Me go with lyrics because I reach a point now where it is a must, brother. It reach a point where it's a thing where like a thing we are going for a long time, and when me look, it's like a man want to come and push me out of the game now. Because if a man go come and say me an artist and I cannot make a song and I cannot write a song, and me myself sit down and know say how much blouse and skirts song me write, and this man sing them and they mash up the world. And the same man I go come back and say me cannot write a song unless me dead make me not defend that, you know. Or unless me dumb or me deaf, you know, brother. Because me can't sit down and make lie go down as history, you know. Me have to come tell the people that me truth, I make way to myself, I make way to the people of dancehall music. If you know, say me, I don't want to come man we come and tell lie and I come make up story, brother. And when me live, me talk, you see me? So more time through my history set, some man might be offended when me talk my history. Through me not pretty it up, you understand? But a reality me I talk, you see me? And you can't tell me say me is not a songwriter and me is just a rhymer or me is a man where me no nobody then. And you know my value and you see value. And I like we just do something and we do things and it connect over and over, more than one time. You understand?
Right.
So why you don't want to consider that about me then? If me accept that and sit down in the dan, some man mouth a goat mouth, you know. If you sit down and accept that means you're no longer an artist officially, you know. I kick someone and kick you out of music, you know. You understand? Because if you're not give them your talent, it's like you're not to use your own talent. But that is all I have. So I have to fight because at the last line it reached now when I'm gonna go say that. You see me?
All right, so here we go on. We know you wrote a lot of lyrics for BEENIE Man, right? You pen and papered it, so you must have it saved up somewhere. Why not take it down a legal route then? If you feel whatever process is due to you, why not take it down a legal route? Jah no star, the thing I freeze. The devil is a liar.
Eh? This what I'm right now, see?
Yeah.
It's a must, you know, because I remember say, away from just writing song, me's an artist too, you know. And this music me do from me little, you know. So you have a thing when you name the history, you know. You say if you allow them to rub out your name out of the book, like you never play no role in a dancehall, you're not gonna have no history in this, you know. You get me?
Yeah.
So this sometime, you know, you hear me there, I do some song, I'm not trouble nobody, I'm not business with no man. You have a thing there, you have to jump back in the gutter with them more time. If you know, say your head mad, you know. Because as a DJ, that's the first thing you should have known, say, you have to go plan to defend yourself. And dancehall, love mix up and love pass up. And you see, anyhow, you feel like you're bigger than that. At that, then you want to feel, say, you want to eat that, you know, you're soft, you know. You have to drop bomb and make them know, say, you're serious. That means if a man want to answer, and if he can't answer, he cannot answer. You have to link me, see, because me have the lyrics to give you, you know. To kill back Don Mafia, you know. I can make back the lyrics to kill back your song. So a lyrics thing me I deal with.
No, but I understand. But this thing, I get to a point where you say you're afraid for your life.
But
that is a serious thing. Huh?
I've always been that way. It's always like that. And the legal part not going to change that. It's going to even be worse that time.
Now viewers, the conversation continued for about 3 hours in 3 different sections. So if you want to watch the full reasoning, you can go check it out on Wiz channel right here up on YouTube. The link will be down in the description. Just make sure so when you go over there, you leave a comment and say Unstoppable TV, send me over here. Alright, do me that favor. Now, on a more serious note, let's just hope that these allegations that Don Mafia is sending towards the doctor is actually not true, or you know, even if they are true, Don Mafia just decide to stay safe, right? Now I've seen in the comment section of several videos where persons are saying that Don Mafia is making this story up. Now I don't know how true it is, so I can't speak on that, but I've seen it in the comment sections where persons are saying it is not true, while I see many persons saying, listen, Don Mafia, just please be safe. Viewers, what is your say on this topic? Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me hear your opinion on this one. Until the next video, no matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.